Friends, welcome to Civil Engineering exam. Today we are going to see the MCQ of design of structures. So the first question, as per IS 456, tensile strength of concrete can be expressed as option A 5000 root of FCK, option B 0.7 root of FCK, option C 0.7 FCK, option D 0.1 FCK. So the correct answer is option B 0.7 root of FCK. So next question, as per IS 456, modulus of elasticity of concrete can be expressed as option A 5000 root of FCK, option B 0.7 root of FCK, option C 5000 FCK, option D 0.1 FCK. So the correct answer is option A 5000 root of FCK. So next question, as per IS 456, concrete having characteristic strength varying between M25 to M55 is known as option A ordinary concrete, option B standard concrete, option C nominal concrete, option D normal concrete. So the correct answer is option B standard concrete. So next question, TMT, that is thermomechanically treated bars, have option A high tensile strength, option B higher resistance to corrosion, option C more ductility, option D all the above. So the correct answer is option D all the above. So next question, the models of rupture of concrete gives option A direct tensile strength of concrete, option B direct compressive strength of concrete, option C tensile strength of concrete in bending, option D characteristic strength of concrete. So the correct answer is option C tensile strength of concrete in bending. So next question, the ratio of direct tensile strength to compression strength of concrete is taken as option A 0.05, option B 0.15, option C 0.25, option D 0.35. So the correct answer is option B 0.15. So next question, the high yield strength deformed bars have a option A definitely yield value, option B chemical composition different than mild steel, option C percentage elongation less than that of mild steel, option D percentage elongation more than that of mild steel. So the correct answer is option C percentage elongation less than that of mild steel. So next question, the minimum grade of concrete for RCC work is option A M15, option B M20, option C M25, option D M30. So the correct answer is option B M20. So next question, the flexural strength of M25 grade concrete as per IS 456 is option A 3.5 megapascal, option B 5.5 megapascal, option C 21.5 megapascal, option D 30 megapascal. So the correct answer is option A 3.5 megapascal. So next question, the environment exposure condition of concrete buried under aggressive subsoil is classified as option A moderate, option B severe, option C very severe, option D extreme. So the correct answer is option C very severe. So next question, ductility of steel is increased with option A increase of grade of steel, option B decrease of grade of steel, option C does not change with grade of steel, option D none of the above. So the correct answer is option B decrease of grade of steel. So next question, the advantage of the reinforced concrete is due to option A monolithic character, option B fire resisting and durability, option C economy because of less maintenance cost, option D all the above. So the correct answer is option D all the above. So next question, the steel generally used in RCC work is option A stainless steel, option B mild steel, option C high carbon steel, option D high tension steel. So the correct answer is option B mild steel. So next question, unit weight of plain cement concrete is option A 22 kN per meter cube, option B 23 kN per meter cube, option C 24 kN per meter cube, option D 25 kN per meter cube. So the correct answer is option C 24 kN per meter cube. So next question, effective span of simply supported slab or beam shall be taken as option A clear span plus effective depth, option B center to center of support, option C minimum of A and B, option D minimum of A and option D maximum of A and B. So the correct answer is option C minimum of A and B. So next question, in reality most of the connection in concrete structures are option A rigid, option B simple, option C hinged, option D partially restrained. So the correct answer is option A rigid. So next question, the purpose of providing minimum cover to the reinforcement is option A to prevent corrosion, fire hazard and other adverse environmental effect, option B have better bond between the steel and concrete, option C both A and B, option D none of the above. So the correct answer is option C, both A and B. So next question, the grade of concrete M20, M refers for option A mix, option B moderate, option C measure, option D mean. So the correct answer is option A mix. So next question, ductility of concrete is increased with option A increase of grade of concrete, option B decrease of grade of concrete, option C does not change with the grade of concrete, option D none of the above. So the correct answer is option A increase the grade of concrete. Again we will see in next video. Thank you.